What's good, y'all? It's Wood Jr., man. Hey, blessings, trust all as well. Hey, look, check it out. So what we're about to do today, I got my bucket of water here with my soap. And I use, guys, I don't know if this matter or not, but I use Ajax. You know what I'm saying? Just Ajax, liquid, water, and boom. So I'm going to wash equal down. And after that, I'm going to do a cold start because my bike ain't been started in the whole week. Because you got to work, dog. But after that, I'm going to hook up with Ross Cross and Prince, which is full metal. And we're gonna see what's on the agenda today. Hopefully we get to ride. Cause look, my chores are done. Got everything wifey wanted me to do done. Well, the clothes are washing. I can't rush the clothes. Grass is done. Everything else is done. Chores are done. I'm about to give my baby a bath and about to roll. Let's do it. When I was getting my Willie G set up, I didn't get any nut covers or whatever you call this here. Cover your nut, your bolts or whatever. I need to get 2 of those too, like this. Hardly really paid attention to detail with these 2020s, man. Look at here. Look at there. Now that is too cool. Not only is it out, but it's facing you. Make getting air a lot simpler than in time past, I would assume. But that is awesome right there. That's a 2 thumbs up. That's a baby there. Get that. All right. And I think that's it. All right, let's rinse her off. The Ryan Hearts, get that cold start in a minute. Leaf blower works sufficient than actually wiping the bike down with the towel. And plus, I'm just ready to get out there. All right. What I want to do before I give that cold start, you know it. Proof here. Just go ahead and peel that. Then you peel this little guy. Oh, okay. So I'm assuming that silver have to be showing just right. 2 huge thumbs up. See, I listen. I'm gonna get to the cold start, really I am. But I wanted to show y'all this here. All right, so when I first got my bike, man, I was so concerned that every time I got off, man, the bike will tilt even further. And I'm like, I have to catch, well, I thought I had to catch it every time. So what my neighbors have told me, as well as the dealer, they said as long as this kickstand, let's see here, as long as this here, see if you guys can see that, as long as this little plate to the kickstand is in between this metal here, you have nothing to worry about. See, that was my concern there, because every time I get off the bike, put the kickstand down, you know what I'm saying, I'm like, yeah, that thing will tilt over and I run back to it so quick, heart beating. But yeah, they said just make sure it's between these 2 plates here, or the 2 guards, that little guy right there, and they say you should be good. So let me see now. I'm gonna try to tilt the bike and see if I can hold it. See that? See how I just did that? Oh yeah. See how the plate is up now? So that plate is up because I got the bike. See here? It's just me. I got the bike tilted straight. So when that bike, when it goes down, see, I'm thinking the kickstand is in, right? But actually, it's not. Uh-oh, I don't want it to fall. See, actually it's not. So I'll walk away, and then this is what will normally happen. Watch this. Let me see. Right. See that? Y'all see that? When it does that, man, I'm like, no! Right? So I'm gonna do that again, man, because, you know, I don't know. I'm sure a lot of people have covered it, I'm sure, but I just want to cover it because, man, that literally concerned me. All right, so I'm gonna straighten the bike upright again. Watch the kickstand. Man, Lord Jesus. See, this is why I stay working out. All right, see that? See how that little guy popped up? See, now it's not between the 2 guards there, those little metal pieces to keep it centered. So what you do, Make sure it's right between there. And no matter how much it leans forward, like see here, actually, my kickstand is not even straight. It's at an angle. However, it's still okay. It's still. Oh. What's up, brother?
I shut it off.
Oh, roast the cross. Oh, you heard my show say this bike shut off?
No, I shut it off.
Okay.
What's going on, fellas?
Looking good, man.
I cleaned it up a little bit.
I see.
You washed mine.
Thing blinging.
Wash mine, so you came back.
I just washed mine before I came over here.
No, I saw you out when I went past the train.
Oh, yeah.
I wore my knees out. Going back and forth, back and forth.
This roast the cross bike, y'all. Oh, let me show y'all roast the cross handlebars. This man ride so hard and so long. Look at this, man. That's some riding right there. Ross ain't playing. Look at their heated grips, man.
Cooling.
Okay,
Yeah,
y'all do it
forces
by hand. Okay,
Forces it down to you.
Isn't that
You can
cool?
direct it
So
any
the
way.
wind comes through here, and if you want to stop it, wow, yeah, that's cool.
And these two.
My house must be about to take off and run.
Oh, see, look at that. That's cool.
That one there?
No,
Wow,
I was about to take off.
that is cool. No air, air, no air, air. Would you go? Ross finna get me to put my vest on, y'all. Me and Ross about to ride, man. Prince gonna roll with us tomorrow, guys. All right, let me show him yours, Ross. Hey, Ross got his on too. Check him out. Ross is so full of excitement. Can y'all tell?
said we came from Jamaica.
Oh, cause I was shaking, man. I'm like, come on, man.
The west side of the motherland is where they take us from.
Yeah.
I remember daddy's house, so I couldn't tell y'all if I'm Zulu, of course I couldn't tell y'all how I'm courtside. I made it this far without a cosign, of course I struggle they lot, stay praying, unforgettable, Swady, it was Achilles, Katie, now this is real life, and when it get real, I can feel Christ, heal this branch on a family tree that was here for me, man, a boo so deep, self-discover me, help uncover me, help me to understand who I'm supposed to be,
That'll
not
work,
just
brother.
wanna be.
I'm just happy to be doing suicide.
Seen big pain, big loss, but still been big blessed. All that cat, big stress. All y'all want big house, big car, big ice, big checks. Man, I wish y'all did that less.
Yeah, let's do it, man. Yeah, that'll work.
My little cousin was hitting me up, man.
And we're going to Dairy Queen. All right, we gotta be cool. All right, y'all. So Ross the Cross gonna tell me how I did. All right, Ross. How did I do?
Good. Held your lane good.
Oh, what? Hey, that's coming from Ross. Ross the Cross. Now you say what? Tell him, Ross, because you said you did something to.
I took you on the rough and I took you on smooth.
Yeah, I noticed that because I was like, Ross must not be ready for the highway with me yet. Because we just did suicide, guys. I mean, come on, man. This is suicide. I've been doing this all my life. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, but this was so cool. So what did I do, Ross? So I'm getting a lot better. What you say?
Yep, held your lane good.
There you go. And this is coming from ex-military, man. I'm telling you, you rode all throughout what? Your
Whole military career too.
He rode his whole military career. So I ain't dealing with no pop-ups. You know, him and Full Metal. I'm telling you, man, give me about 3 days, you know, times 5 years. All right, y'all, look where we at. Dairy Queen, baby. He treated me to ice cream. No, I'm kidding. All right, y'all, we about to get some ice cream, man. Suicide, first time ever, baby. Look, y'all, I'm so happy. I forgot to take my helmet off, man. Gotta take my helmet off. How you doing?
Okay, so Ross the Cross just put that on his vest, and
See
then
where I
that
didn't put it, and see where I put it.
Ah, gotcha. Yeah, so where the beads are, pretty much the beads of the water, that's where it's not sinking into the leather, and this here is. Gotcha. And it's good for rainy days?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not going to absorb it. So I think I got a little bit of a thing, so I want you to go home and do your boots in this. I'm going to give you this one over here.
Put the boots in there too? I can do the boots?
Yeah, as long as they're black.
Okay.
This has got a little bit of enough to do your thing.
All
Take
right.
this home with you, that way you know what the bottle is anyway.
Gotcha. Check that
So you
out,
get a
guys.
sponge with it.
That's awesome.
You just fill that out. See, it's on my sponge, right?
Right?
And go over everything.
So just dab and, okay.
Yep.
Simple. You say it's best to kind of let it sit overnight?
Yep.
Okay.
Only because if you do that way, you know, it's fully protected, but also dries out and you ain't getting it on your hands.
Gotcha. Okay.
Do yours?
Yeah. And he already did part of my vest, guys, and honestly, it brings out a shine too. Oh, catch that.
So I like to do it down to the part here because, you know, water's going to go inside, so I do it down into it.
Okay.
I even do my chaps.
Oh yeah?
Yep. So if you keep your chaps done, you know wet legs aren't going to get wet.
So chaps, what is chaps actually for?
Keep the road debris, and if you should lay it down, keep you from getting road rash on your legs.
Okay. So it's really not for the rain. It kind of like protects you, like if you lay the bike. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Cause I see guys wearing them on a YouTube channel, but they wear them like for long travel and everything.
Yeah, I got mine right over there.
Yeah, Willie G. Man, that is so cool. Wifey did great. Oh, that's cool, man. Oh yeah, I hope the sun's shining tomorrow.
Well, this will be good now.
Simple as that.
Simple as that.
Yes, sir. So what year is your El Camino?
1985.
1985 El Camino, man. Wanting 14,000. And Ross the Cross take care of all of his stuff, man. What's under the hood, Ross?
It's a 350 crate motor.
350 crate motor. Dear gosh, man, that is a beauty. Where's one? Oh, I was gonna try to put the light on it. Yeah, you can still see it.
Oh.
Ooh-wee. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh man.
Double pumper hooker headers.
Hooker
Air
headers?
gap,
Oh
yeah.
nice.
Hooker headers.
Oh nice.
Air gap intake. MSD distributor.
Distributor too? What?
Yeah, see the red?
Come on, bro. Oh. Yeah, that's awesome, bro. That looks good. Man, you take care of your stuff, brother. Let's get a look at the inside there, guys, if y'all can see that in there. Let's go around right there. Looks good in there, man. Clear. And most of this stuff is original, right?
Yep. All original.
All original.
Except for the motor, of course.
Yeah. Wow. And this is garage kept, guys. She's a beauty. I thought you had like a paperback there with everything on it.
Huh?
Like, I think you have a paperback there showing with everything on it or something. And what's this color? Is that just gloss black, vivid black?
It's just black.
Just black. Is that it with everything on? Yeah, there we go. Yep. Awesome. Oh, that's cool. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. Keep your receipts if you want to sell something.
See?
Look at there. Wow. Wow.
Even that carburetor indexed, tuned. See?
Tune carburetor. Come on, man. Oh, nice. You getting all that horsepower out of there. Whew. Yeah, he rips it through the neighborhood, I'm telling you. Yeah, this is a beauty. So if you like it, hit up Ross the Cross at 555. No. You got
El Camino parts book.
Look at this, man. What? Like he for real, for real. Man, that look like the Old Testament. Just the Old Testament alone. Gosh. Yeah, that's nice, dude. That is nice. Oh yeah, you'll get a buyer soon enough, bro. Then we got a car show we're gonna be going to, guys. Here, I think is it later this month or next month?
October 3rd.
October 3rd, car show, baby. And y'all know how we getting there. The bikes, baby. All right, I like it, man. Well, guys, we want to do more Suicide Ride tomorrow because we all going to breakfast. And y'all know that's more time to ride. So other than that, show you the quick horses real quick. All right, watch out, suicide. Ooh, suicide. See, this is what I'm debating. Should I get or shouldn't I get? Man, we was riding back. Ross the Cross was just sipping on his drink. And I'm just like, man, I'm so focused. And, you know, he's riding with no hands. He got this thing on cruise control while we're doing curves and things. He look over there at me. I'm like this. But I don't know if I should get one of these, man. I want to, but I know me, man. I'm going to be too focused to even try to drink. So, I don't know. But, and then you want to say, Ross the Cross? Keep it shiny side up. Keep the shiny side up, baby. All right, blessings.